UglyRoof.com would like to introduce you to our proprietary process that adds years of life to your existing roof while saving you thousands of dollars from a costly roof replacement. Shingles are exposed to extreme heat and cold temperatures. The consequence is a thermal breakdown of the asphalt, causing the shingle to become brittle and fail prematurely. What allows your shingles to stay flexible are the oils and polymers in the asphalt of the shingle. Unfortunately, depending on the area you live in, these oils begin to break down in as early as 8 to 10 years of installation. When the oils break down, just like the cracks in a road creating potholes, your shingles will begin to lose granulation, curl up, tear, and become defective. Fortunately, UglyRoof.com has the solution. We use our bio-based, environmentally friendly solution to restore the oils back in your shingles. This solution penetrates through the core of the shingle, which means increased flexibility and adhesiveness. So years of life have just been added to your roof. But you don't have to take our word for it. Ugly Roof's refresh, repair, and restore shingle rejuvenation process was put to the test. Intertek, a global leader in materials testing, completed an independent inspection of our product and verified that we had successfully restored a 17-year-old plus roof close to new conditions. The results were, number 1, shingle pliability, no failures. Number 2, granular retention, 84% more granular retention than untreated shingles. Number 3, hail impact resistance, no failures. Number 4, waterproofing, 97% better than untreated shingles. And we are seeing these benefits lasting through 5 years and even longer. So, Ugly Roof's rejuvenation process has just been tested, tried, and true. Don't replace your roof, rejuvenate it. It's time you rethink roofing. Remember, we do this every shingle day.